everyone, today I'll be showing you how to make a half double crochet, another very important and basic crochet stitch. To begin, let's make a slip knot, and we'll make a few chains to begin. Let's do a total of 6 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now a lot of patterns go in a circle, and if you're going to do that, typically you would have to connect and make a ring, and then a lot of the times you would just keep going around the ring. So if, let's say, we are to do this type of pattern and we want to make a half double crochet, let's make 1 chain here, and then to begin the half double crochet you're going to do yarn over, and we always go from the back to the front, and I'll insert my hook inside this ring, grab the yarn, and then pull it through. So at this point you should have 3 loops on your hook, and to complete the half double crochet you're going to do yarn over again and pull through all 3 loops. So that is what a half double crochet is. So let's repeat it 3 more times for practice. Yarn over, insert the hook into the ring, pull through, we have 3 loops, yarn over, pull through all 3 loops. And one has gotten caught here, and that is why it's not letting me pull through easily. There we go. Sometimes certain yarn splits more than others. So let's do one last yarn over, inside the ring, grab the yarn, pull through, yarn over, pull through 3. So that is your half double crochet, and I'll make 3 more. You can keep practice if you would like and go all the way around the circle with me. So if you keep going around the circle with half double crochets, this is what it's going to end up looking. And in a lot of patterns, what you end up doing is connecting with a slip stitch to finish around. So that's inserting the hook into that first stitch and pulling through that one and pulling through the one that is already on the hook. So you can start another round and keep going around just like this. You end up with a coaster. So I have a tutorial that I'm going to link into the description of this video of how to make a coaster that looks like a cat, and that is a fun little decoration for Halloween, a very nice basic pattern that you can practice lots of half double crochets with that one. So good luck, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.